Hi, this is Ben from SnapType, and I'm excited to give you a look at our latest app, SnapType Pro 2, which makes completing school worksheets easier than ever before. In this short demo, I'm going to show you how to make a new worksheet from one of our templates. This could be helpful if you want to create your own content or introduce more creativity to your students. First, we'll tap on the New Document button. Then, select Template. Next, you'll see a few options. We've created templates for blank paper, line paper, graph paper, and story paper. Of course, if you have suggestions for other templates, please let us know and we'll be happy to add them. Let's start by creating a new line paper template and giving it a name. As you can see, a new worksheet appeared with the name lined paper. Now for this demo, I'll navigate into a folder which contains a few worksheets that I already created from templates. Let's quickly take a look at each one, starting with blank paper, which could be good for drawing or typing freely. Here we have a blank white paper without any lines, and a student can add whatever they'd like. Now let's take a look at graph paper, which might be helpful for math work. As you can see, there are vertical and horizontal lines, splitting the paper up into many small boxes. I've created a few simple math equations already. Next up, lined paper. Lined paper could be helpful for spelling tests and writing freely. I'm sure it looks familiar. It's a typical lined paper, just like you'd find in a paper notebook. Lastly, we have story paper, which is a great mix of drawing and writing. Your student can draw a scene and then write a story about it. In any case, that's all I have for you today. I hope you and your students are going to love SnapType Pro 2's new worksheet templates to help you more easily create content and promote creativity. Thank you.